In this tutorial, we will be looking at the questline Evolution 2. This questline deals with discovering the history of bloombills. The goal is to find out how one trait has changed over time and what the timescale of evolution can look like. To begin Quest 2.1, you first want to speak with Dar in the menagerie. You're asked to measure neck lengths of 10 bloombills in the menagerie. Then create a data summary by using Data Explorer tool, showing the distribution of the length. You wrap up the quest by answering Dar's questions about the neck length for the majority of bloombills in the menagerie and handing over your data summary. For Quest 2.2, you're asked to visit Bulo in Upper Subatlan. Take the Upper Subatlan exit from the menagerie and in Upper Subatlan, walk up to Bulo's house. In the house, after talking to Bulo, you receive a data summary about bloombills, and this completes Quest 2.2. For Quest 2.3, you need to travel from Upper Subatlan to Lenham Trail. Check the world map to see how to get to Lenham Trail. In Lenham Trail, walk up to the ancient cave and enter the cave. In the cave, after talking to Dorothy, you receive a data summary about historic bloombills, and this completes Quest 2.3. For Quest 2.4, travel to Sulphurious Sweep. Again, check the world map to see how to get there from Lenham Trail. In Sulphurious Sweep, walk to the lava cavern. Enter the cavern and talk to Tungsten to find out about the fossils of bloombills. Then collect 8 fossils and create a data summary of the median length of necks of those fossils. After handing over your data summary to Tungsten, you've completed Quest 2.4. In Quest 2.5, you need to travel back to the menagerie to bring your bloombill data summaries to Dar. Then you're asked to put all those data summaries into a timeline to explain what you've found. There is a separate tutorial explaining how to use the timeline tool. After handing over your timeline, Dar asks a couple of questions to understand the data. For example, how the length of bloombill neck has changed over time, and could bloombills stretch their necks even further? This completes Quest 2.5 as well as the entire Evolution 2 questline.